So my mom is opening a restaurant, a Korean Hanwoo beef restaurant. So let's go check it out. If you're wondering what Hanwoo beef is, it's sort of like this breed of cow that's only in Korea, and in my opinion is up there, like one of the best beefs you can get. But unfortunately, unless you're in Korea, there's a good chance you'll never try it. I figured this is a good time to get a proper sort of behind the scenes look of a real Korean restaurant. This is my mom. She's gonna give us the grand tour.
Hello, I am Johnny's mom. This is my new Korean beef restaurant. This is a Korean system. We put the charcoals in there, and then when the charcoals in there, and we bring it this, and all the airs going up that way, means the charcoal become very hot, and all the airs going up. This is system. Okay, this is kitchen. Then all the airs pipes go down there. Going up. All the air is going up the sky up there.
Out this one?
Yeah.
And what's this?
This is, we put in here charcoals in there and electric, and make a charcoal very quickly.
And gas, right?
Yeah, gas.
And 지금, do you have charcoal right now?
Yeah, charcoal here.
Is this special?
아니면 그냥 all the charcoals.
최고급. 최고급 means highest grade.
Yeah, hardest white charcoal.
Nice.
Barbecue one. See? Our balcony.
Oh wow.
Yeah. After eat dinner, you can come here, have a cup of coffee, chatting. This is coffee corner.
Classic Korean.
Yeah, Korean style classic coffee here.
이런 machine 하나 얼마나?
Rental.
Oh, rental. 그러면 do they come and fill?
Yeah, refill the coffee. But no, this is that's brand new machine. I pay 300,000.
근데 for 고객님, is this free?
Customers free.
Nice. Even got the private rooms. Of course, every single table has one of these. This is such a classic Korean way of venting out. You've got vent control here. You vent more or less. You can hear it. It's actually on right now, sucking air out. So if you're in Kojido, make sure you come visit so that my mom can be proud of me, and I'll post the information soon. But also, if you come here and you have your coffee after the meal, check out this view. I mean, other than the power lines, it's a pretty nice view.